Hello students, what if the area labels needs to be split onto two layers? You may have a few different types of plans that show parcels because it would be awkward to have to change the parcel area label styles before you plot each sheet. During any design, it would be best to find a way to make a second label on a second layer so that you can freeze the area component in sheet or viewports when it is not needed. Here is the example where we will put a second area label to these parcel. So once we need these type of parcel area numbers, we will show them in the PDF sheets, on layout sheets. You can then if we need any parcel area labels, then we can also add them in a second layer, so we can place two area labels for one parcels, which can be used as in the PDF sheets later. So how can you do that? We can accomplish this by creating a second parcel area labels that calls out the area only. Okay, in any drawing, if you have parcels there, just go and here change to the annotate tab, and from the area from the labels in tables panel, here add labels and then select parcels and then add parcel labels. Add labels dialog box will appear to you. Then select area from the drop down menu of the label type here, and then select an area style that will be the second label for the area. Here we have 4 labeling styles. You can also create your own. For example, I have these plots here, these parcels which have just number of the parcel, and I need to put second area labels with the area and perimeter. So I will select name area and perimeter for the area label styles, and then click add and then pick your parcels on screen. For example, this one, this you can select which you want, and then press enter. Now if you see, you will find the second parcel area labels to be a little more automatic when you place it. Just select and drag, you will see 2 parcel area label, the one here and another one you have here. So this is how you can place 2 parcel area labels to any parcel for layout sheets to create PDF later according to your design criteria. Hope you like these little tips related to parcels. Please stay tuned with us for more.